Okay, don't be surprised why I'm here today for this video. So I'm only here to share with you one luxury car, the name of Audi. So I'm standing right beside it. As you can see, it can present itself. Audi ALL, as you can see. So just stay tuned with me. We go through this car to discover it together. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Emstine TV. So I'm very happy to see you again, to come to you again with this new car. So thank you so much, my returning subscribers, for the support you people have been giving me so far. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. You are highly welcome. You are in your building. So look, outfit of this channel, it is like a trailer. Is it stories that you want to hear? Is it entertainment? Is it motivation? Is it vehicles of different types? It is in this channel that you get all those stuff. So don't forget to here is Audi. Yeah, it's Audi 2020 model. As you can see, put it into park like this. This is engine stop and on. So here is the car. As you can see, there it is. It is for shipment, guys. It is for shipment. This car is going to Kenya. Right from Dubai, being bought at the showroom, Audi showroom in Dubai. As I always said to you, my viewers, if any preoccupation concerning this type of stuffs, don't hesitate to contact me. Moving straight away to discover the interior of this car, the inner part, the innermost part of this car. So here is it standing, Audi ALL model 2020. Interior of this car, as you can see, this is the car, Audi model 2020. This is the start and the stop button. This is the gear lever, as you can see. So it is the way it is. Everything is in on form. You know it is luxurious items. So let's move to the bonnet. Here, you open the bonnet, hold it like this. It is open. open. As you can see, that is the bonnet. Wait, it looks like here is the engine. This car is very powerful. 2020 model. Oh, that is it. Audi. Check where the bonnet, check where the engine, to know what I'm telling you. It's a luxurious car. So here is it, guys. So this is just what the bonnet goes, selling the engine. Here is it. This is the great Audi latest model 2020. So that is it. I hope you have seen the engine and you did enjoy it, and I will always beg on you. Hello guys, we now move to the trunk to discover what it is. This is the trunk. This is the trunk of this vehicle. You can see it has everything it takes. It's come news. It has all its items inside. This is the trunk. What it looks like. That's it. So that is what the trunk look like, guys. Audi, very quick, very luxurious car. Promise to keep sharing with you every time I receive any new updates, any new car. So as it is going. Great logo is there. Logo is there. A and L. That is all about the car, guys. This is the start and the stop button. This is what the car looks like. So to put to drive, you see, you first remove from park. It's already on drive. So let me show what you can see. It's all about the car. So that is what I was to show you guys. As you can see, as the Audis speak for itself, I would like to tell you that it is a very good car, and if you have anything in mind concerning the car, don't forget to put it at the comment section, or don't forget to contact me so that I can see what to do with you as concerning the car, be it purchase or shipment. So don't forget to subscribe, please. That is the love I need from you. Just don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this video and comment. So I hope you know what my channel content is. Is it story you want to hear? Is it motivation? Is it vehicles of different types? Is it entertainment? Don't forget to share my channel, please. Thank you so much for watching. So I will move straight to bring you to start doing research so that I can bring you more stuffs in this channel. Being loyal.